Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. My name is Georgia if you're new here. And if you're not, then thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. I hope you all are doing well. Today, I do want to talk about a business credit card. Before I get into it, I want to let you know, if you're new here, that I do talk about all things business. So I talk about how I was able to open a party store using only business credit, and then how I was able to buy my first investment property and make $19,000 within my first 12 months. So I talk about all things business. If you're interested, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe. And today we're going to be talking about a business credit card by the name of Torpago. So with Torpago, I actually have put them in my ebook. I do have an ebook called The Business Credit Finesse, in case you don't know, and I talk about the step-by-step method that I use to open up my party store. So I put Torpago in the book because it is a great resource to build business credit. And so if you're in the world of business and you're trying to build business credit, Torpago is a great resource to have. It is a great company to use. The reason why I like them is because management software that they use in order to manage all your expenses, your employees' expenses, and then also because of the higher credit limits. So I'm going to get into all of that about Torpago, why I like them, benefits that you can get, and then also I do offer a special link with special benefits. The main difference between Torpago and then Divvy is because of the ease of use, and the integration software. So as you know, with business, you need to manage your expenses, right? You have bookkeeping, you have accounting, you have taxes. They have a platform that automatically categorizes all of your expenses. They have an integration software with QuickBooks. All of the transactions that you have with Torpago, it is categorized into categories, which then is taken by QuickBooks and then put into the proper format that's needed for your accountant or for you to do your own taxes or whatever the case might be. So that's one great benefit that they have. Another great benefit that they have is if you have employees, they do allow you to get virtual cards and physical cards at no extra cost, and then you can track the spending and increase or decrease limits in real time. So let's say you have John, your assistant, that needs to go run an errand and something end up costing an extra $100. You can just go into the platform, increase his limit by $100, and then you'll see everything in real time, and he'll be able to use that $100 immediately, So it's a great platform for that as well. They do offer 1% cash back every time you swipe your card. The benefit is obviously cash back is always a plus. With my link in the bio, you're able to get 1.25% cash back. So if you're interested in applying, make sure you definitely check out my link in order to get the extra 0.25% in cash back. There's no hard inquiry, so your personal credit does not matter when it comes to Torpago. It's all based on your business information and your business bank information, which I'll go into in 1 second. But there's no hard inquiry. You do have to provide your social security number in order to verify your identity. But like I said, there's no hard inquiry when it comes to the Torpago business credit card. There's no personal guarantee and there's no deposit required. And so they do report to Dun & Bradstreet. So if you're trying to build business credit, you know that all of these business credit cards that you're going to get, you want to make sure that they're either replying to Dun & Bradstreet, Experian Business, or Equifax Business. And so in this case, they do report to Dun & Bradstreet. So that is a plus, because that means that you're not just spending this money and not getting any credit for it, to be able to get more credit, business credit down the line. So Dun & Bradstreet is major. So for Torpago, they offer revolving credit line in some states, and so it's half and half. So I reached out to them. I asked them, is it revolving? Because like other fintech companies, they have the full balance due in 30 days. So with Torpago, some states offer the guy told me 25 states. So in 25 states, they offer revolving line of credit. In the other 25, the full balance is due within 30 days. He didn't tell me specifically what states, but he did say that they are working on getting all of the states available for the revolving line of credit. So definitely, if you do apply, you'll be able to see if your state is qualified for the revolving line of credit or not, or obviously you can send them a message. They do have the messaging on their website, so definitely check that out if you're not sure and that's a worry for you. How to qualify for Torpago. Approval is based on your cash in the bank, spending patterns and business history. So spending patterns meaning pretty much like your net deposits. As long as your net deposits are above what your expenses are, then you're good. As long as you're retaining more money in your account than you're spending, that is a great thing. You need to have a business bank account, and you also want to make sure that your business bank information matches all of your business registration information, like the name, the address, things like that. So you want to make sure all of those things line up, because a part of the underwriting process and why they're able to give higher limits, because they're verifying your business information, they're verifying your business bank account and things like that. And so they also verify your business bank account through Plaid. So I know Cash App and stuff like uses Plaid to verify your bank accounts. That's the same platform that they're going to use to verify your business bank account. So make sure that you do have your business bank account. Make sure that you do have net deposits after all expenses. And you do need to have your business bank account for at least 3 months. You do need to have your EIN number, of course, but as long as you have a business bank account, you would have had all those things, right? You just want to make sure that you have the time frame as well. And additional benefits, as your business grows, then your credit limit grows with Topargo. So that's a great thing, getting more access to more capital for your business. They also do offer where you can link your QuickBooks with your Topargo business credit card. And so they do offer 40% off QuickBooks for 6 months. So that's really good. They do have the 1%, like I said, on their website is 1% cash back, but with my link in the description, it's 1.25% cash back. So if you're interested, then make sure you go ahead and check out the link in my description. That's Topargo. That's for the business credit card for today. And if you have any questions, make sure you ask me down below. If you have any questions, I urge you to ask down below. I reply to all my comments. I'm eager to answer all of your questions. If you're trying to build business credit and you're not sure where to start, you're stuck in the middle or anything like that, make sure you check out my ebook, The Business Credit Finesse. That is in the description box below. Make sure you give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I look forward to growing with you all. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.